this show the strongly, relation between two brotherly countries. The relation between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia very deep and very holistic relation. The custodian of Ptolemy, King Salman bin Abdul Aziz, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, is very keen about, to support Pakistan. The kingdom work in four stage. The first stage, the urgent support. Second stage, to establish the air bridge. This, the first airplane coming today. Third, stage yesterday to start for the national camping for support the Pakistani people, and everybody say that. After, inshallah, a few weeks, this will be, inshallah, fourth stage will be estimate, the damage assessment, and will be supported through King Salman Center and, Saudi Development Foundation.